He dissected corpses in the dark.
He sketched machines that shouldn't exist. He hid secrets no one would find for centuries.
This is Leonardo da Vinci, and his story is darker than you think. Leonardo da Vinci. We know him as the painter of the Mona Lisa, but he was also an engineer, scientist, and rebel. He didn't just want to paint the world. He wanted to understand how it worked from inside. Late at night, in hospitals, Leonardo dissected over 30 human corpses, alone, in secret. Why? He wasn't studying medicine. He believed the human soul was hidden in the nerves, muscles, and veins. His drawings weren't just art. They were anatomical maps of the body, and maybe of the soul. Some of them are so detailed, modern science still admires them today. But there was a problem. The Catholic Church banned dissections. Leonardo had to hide his notes. He wrote backwards in mirror script. He sketched in hidden notebooks, and those pages disappeared for centuries. Some were only rediscovered in the 20th century. What was he afraid the world might see? Leonardo didn't stop at human bodies. He sketched helicopters, tanks, diving suits, even a mechanical Niter robot. It looked like a helicopter, and a bat had a baby. These machines were never built, but the ideas were real. He imagined the future 500 years too early. Was he a scientist? An artist? A man chasing ghosts? Even today, we haven't unlocked everything he left behind. His notebooks still contain puzzles we can't solve. Maybe that was the point. Leonardo da Vinci wasn't just a genius. He was a man out of time, an artist chasing the soul through science. And some of his secrets are still hidden. Want more stories like this one? Subscribe now and discover the art they don't teach you in school.